Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change hidden photos password in iPhone. So basically, your password or passcode is linked to everything you use on iPhone, whether it was photos, whether it was purchasing something on App Store, it's linked to your Apple ID. So if you went right here to open up the photos, right? And we went to the hidden photos right here, right? And you'll be able to right here to see the hidden photos by just going ahead and try the facial recognition. And if you can multiple times, just add the passcode. Basically, you'll be able to add the passcode that you already have on your Apple ID. So basically, you don't need to change or do anything. It's linked to one passcode, which is the Apple ID passcode. So if you want to change the passcode of your iPhone, if you want to change the hidden photos password, you need to change your Apple ID password. And by doing that, you're gonna go ahead to the settings, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the face ID and passcode, and basically enter your passcode that you already have on iPhone. And what you're gonna do, and you could just go ahead and turn off the passcode or change the passcode by clicking change passcode, edit the passcode, and then add your old passcode and then change it to the new one. Basically, whenever you're doing something like going to a photo on iPhone or purchasing an book or an app on App Store, it's all linked to your Apple ID. So same passcode. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.